Have you been unknowingly killing your car's engine every single day? Welcome back to Engine Insight, where we reveal the secrets your mechanic won't tell you. And today's topic might just save your engine and your wallet. Before we dive into these engine-killing habits, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell because we bring you real car wisdom, not clickbait. These driving mistakes are shockingly common, but the damage they do is silent and deadly until it's too late. If you want to keep your ride smooth, your engine strong, and your repair bills low, stay locked in till the end. Now let's break down the 10 worst driving habits that are secretly shortening your engine's life. 1. Revving the engine. Right after starting, your engine is most vulnerable when it's cold, and revving it right after turning the key is like waking up and sprinting without stretching. The oil hasn't circulated properly yet, meaning your pistons and components are running dry. This increases wear and tear every time you do it. Instead, give your engine 30 seconds to 1 minute to idle, especially in cold weather. It's a small change that can add years to your engine's life. So chill for a moment, your engine will thank you. 2. Hard acceleration. When the engine is cold, this one's a silent killer. Gunning the throttle when the engine isn't at operating temperature causes serious internal stress. Oil is thick when cold and takes time to circulate properly, so aggressive acceleration scrapes metal on metal. You're literally forcing your engine to work overtime before it's ready. Wait until your temperature gauge reaches the middle before heavy driving. Your engine was built to perform, but only when properly warmed up. Respect it, and it will return the favor. 3. Frequently driving on low fuel, running your car with the fuel light on. You're doing more than risking a stall. You're starving your fuel pump and damaging your injectors. The fuel acts as a coolant and lubricant for the pump. Without it, heat builds up and friction increases. Over time, this can lead to costly fuel system failures. Plus, sediment from the bottom of the tank can clog your filters. Keep your tank at least 1/4 full always. It's one of the easiest ways to protect your engine and extend your fuel system's life. 4. Using the wrong type of fuel. Think premium fuel makes your engine stronger? Think again. Using the wrong octane gas can cause knocking, pre-ignition, and even long-term engine damage. Manufacturers design engines for specific fuel types. Using the wrong one can throw off combustion. It's not about price, it's about performance and protection. Always check your owner's manual and stick with what your engine was born for. Your horsepower and longevity depend on it. 5. Ignoring the check engine light. That little amber light isn't a suggestion, it's a warning. Too many drivers ignore the check engine light, only to find out later their engine's been silently suffering. It could be something minor like a sensor, or something major like a misfire or lean fuel mix. The longer you ignore it, the more expensive it gets. Invest in a quick diagnostic scan or visit your mechanic ASAP. Remember, early detection is always cheaper than major repairs. 6. Riding the clutch or resting foot on the brake. Manual or automatic, your driving habits matter. Riding the clutch wears out your transmission and stresses the engine, while keeping your foot on the brake overheats components and robs power. Both habits cause your engine to work harder than it needs to. Keep your foot off the clutch unless you're shifting, and use the brake only when necessary. It's about driving smart, not lazy. Your engine and drivetrain will reward you with smooth performance for miles. 7. Overloading your vehicle. Every car has a weight limit, and consistently overloading your vehicle forces the engine to push more than it's designed for. It leads to overheating, increased fuel consumption, and rapid wear on engine mounts and suspension. Even roof racks and towing can strain the powertrain if you're not careful. Lighten the load, remove unnecessary cargo, and be mindful of your vehicle's GVWR. Less weight equals less stress equals longer engine life. Simple physics, big payoff. 8. Neglecting regular oil changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, and old, dirty oil is like pumping sludge through your veins. Neglecting oil changes leads to overheating, friction, and irreversible engine damage. Stick to the recommended intervals in your manual, whether it's 5,000 or 10,000 miles. And always use the right grade and quality oil. A $40 oil change beats a $4,000 engine replacement every single time. Stay consistent, stay protected. 9. Ignoring air filter and cooling system maintenance. An engine needs to breathe and stay cool, and if either system is compromised, performance drops fast. Dirty air filters choke the engine, increasing fuel consumption and reducing power. Meanwhile, an old or low coolant system leads to overheating and warped engine parts. Check your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles and your coolant system at least twice a year. Clean air plus proper cooling equals engine longevity. It's basic but powerful maintenance. 10th, stop-and-go driving with aggressive behavior. City driving might seem harmless, but constant stop-and-go with heavy acceleration and braking destroys engine efficiency. It spikes heat levels, stresses engine mounts, and wears down the drivetrain. Try to drive smoothly, anticipate traffic, and avoid punching the gas unless necessary. Not only will your engine live longer, but your fuel economy will soar. Drive like a pro, not a drag racer. Smooth is fast and smooth is engine-friendly. So now you know these 10 habits are killing your engine slowly, and most drivers have no idea. Fixing just a few of these can save you thousands in repairs and keep your car running like new. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell, because here at Engine Insight, we're not just fixing problems, we're building smarter drivers. Drop a comment below. Which habit were you guilty of? And remember, the best drivers aren't the fastest, they're the smartest. See you in the next video, and until then, drive safe and stay engine smart.